There's just nothing quite like sitting down with a big bag of juicy Washington cherries during the summer. But did you know that people all over the world celebrate Washington's cherry season? Today, I'm down in Florida at the Global Produce and Floral Trade Show, learning why Washington cherries are causing such a buzz.
The cherries grown in Washington are unique because we have such a wonderful, high nitrogen, mountainous region, and it's a unique microclimate.
BJ Thuromane is the manager of the Washington State Fruit Commission, and he's well aware that our cherries are special and that they're celebrated all over the world.
In Washington alone, we produce close to 200,000 metric tons of cherries each year. Our strongest marketing region for cherries is the greater Asian area, including China, Taiwan, Korea. The reason that is because they don't grow or they can't grow cherries in Asia.
My name is Panayotis, or just Yotis, and I'm here to source the best fruit from Washington.
As a representative of Taiwan, Yotis is here to continue the trade relationship between Taiwan and U.S. producers like Washington cherry growers.
We don't have cherries in Taiwan, so we have to source from other places all over the world. We find the cherries from Washington is perhaps the best and one of the best in the world.
A lot of our cherries end up in Korea. A big market for us is also China.
Willie Sosa is with the Sage Fruit Company. He knows that one of the main reasons people get so excited about cherries is that there's such a small window for them to be sold.
I think it's one of those commodities that you can still only get a couple times out of the year. It's one of those things that you have to plan for. You know, you're not going to have it all season long, and people are waiting for them.
All the way across North America and Mexico City, the excitement for Washington cherries is just as high. Juan Carlos Moriera represents Northwest cherry fruit growers in Mexico. His task is simple and focused. Make sure people know when cherry season is approaching so no one misses out.
We have a PR campaign where we declare the week of the 4th of July Mexican National Cherry Week.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yes, with Northwest Cherries, we do the circus approach. The circus comes into town and stays in town only for a few weeks. With cherries, we're talking about from 8 to 10 weeks a year.
Okay.
It's truly seasonal.
Right.
So we have to tell everybody, the circus is coming, the circus is coming, Northwest Cherries are gonna be here.
It's a good way to do it. The circus is coming.
The circus is coming.
And cherries are the stars.
Yes.
You know, our state alone is a wonderful state for growing agriculture, and if you're the type of person that likes to have locally grown fruit, potatoes, produce, you're going to be really happy because we grow the best in the world right here in our little corner of the world.